So let me just give you guys a pop quiz to make sure you guys pay attention. What was the concept that we learned about last week? Conservation of energy. Remember we made the roller coasters? So when the roller coaster was at the top of the hill, what was the type of energy we called that? Potential energy.
Potencial.
So what was the form of energy after the roller coaster has dropped? Kinetic energy.
La energía cinética.
Which roller coaster has the most potential energy? The other roller coaster, you know how it started with potential energy instead, and then it converted to kinetic energy? So let's say I have like a marble right here, and I pull it back. We call that potential. It has potential energy. And when we let it go, we say it has kinetic energy. So we're talking about conservation of energy. To do the experiment, it's really easy. You just go to your hardware store and find the insulation tubes that they use for pipes. I say for like simple one, just the inch diameter ones or half an inch, and you just use scissors and you cut them in half. When you still have the tubing, you cut like a 1/6 inch of it and you make like a slingshot out of it. And to make the slingshot, you use rubber bands, and you could just poke holes and glue the rubber bands at the end and just create your own little slingshots. You're gonna attach this marble shooter.
Van a juntar una especie de tirachina si no va a tirar canica.
So the side where the rubber band's at,
En el lado que tiene la goma,
you guys are gonna tape it right here.
So this is the insulation tube that you would buy at your local hardware store. Initially it comes like a tube. You use your scissors to cut it in half. Once you have this, you can make your loops like this. But when you have time, you can make it look really pretty. And like I said, they come in smaller sizes, and it makes it easier to make the loops when you have it in smaller sizes. When you go to the hardware store, buy the tubes that you're going to use for your roller coaster track, and then buy another tubing that has the diameter a little bit bigger, so you're able to make your slingshot and you're able to put your fingers through it and shoot the marble.
Oh, this time. Go. Oh no.
The force that's important is the friction force, because you want the track to be as smooth as possible, because you want the roller coaster to achieve high speeds and clear the obstacles in the design.